Hello my loves and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Sheila, creator of Madame Bay. It's Sunday, day 74 of 75 hard, you guys. It's the second last day. Woo! Anyway, why am I screaming? Oh, my lips are so dry. It's Sunday, just finished my second workout of 75 hard. I'm just doing a little cleaning up because, you know, reset. And for today's video, I just want to share with you how I plan my content week ahead. And I'm doing this to keep myself accountable to you guys, but also to encourage you to do weekly reviews, because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one in this world that sets goals. And yes, the first week you're like excited, I'm going to do all this stuff, get shit done, blah, 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 and you don't do it. The reason is because you don't keep reminding yourself of the excitement, and the only way to do it is by doing weekly reviews, seeing how the work you put in is making a change or where you need to make changes. So I'm going to do that today, but mostly for content creation, because we are getting out of the 75 hard phase where we're all about health and wealth. I'm still going to do fitness, healthy eating, holistic health content. It's just that for this video we're just planning how I'm going to put in the work when it comes to content creation, because content creation is my sorry, I had to take off the kettle. I could hear it boiling while I'm talking, and for me, every time I'm editing, that stuff bothers me. Like I was saying, I'm still going to be posting wellness, holistic health content. It's just that for today, I just want to share with you how I plan for my content week as an aspiring full-time content creator. I still have some cleaning up to do, laundry and all that stuff, but before I clean up, I have to do my hair. Oh my god, it's getting dark so fast. It's not even... Bro, it's only 3:15. It normally gets dark at like 4:30. It's 3:15. Literally, I've been chasing the time and the lights today. Am I talking too much? I'm talking too much. Why do I feel like something's burning? Anyway. I'm so glad I went out for my workout this morning. Bro, it's snowing out of the blue. That's a lot of snow. Pretty. I also feel like I always say I look pretty every time, so you know what, if I'm not blowing my own horns, who is blowing my horns? Nobody. So let me blow my own horns. Bro, it's 5. It's taken me this long to do my hair. I thought by 5 I'll be done filming with everything. No, I'm just about to get started planning, and the first thing on my planning agenda is reviewing my previous week. So let me do that and quickly take you through it. I needed that water. Done with the weekly reflection. It was actually quite easy because everything I had to reflect on, I kind of did on Thursday with Izzy. I had a little accountability session with my bestie. But basically what I do for my weekly reviews, I look at how many videos I've posted, how many TikToks, Instagram, whatever. And then I see how many website visits, how many sales that brought in and all them things. Then I go to how many UGC applications I put in and how many responses I got back. I put in about 8 applications. I got 2 responses back, which is good. Weekly reviews are very easy if you've been journaling all week and you've been tracking your habits and all that stuff. That is why I personally use the 90-day Be Your Own Bay journal, because all these things are there to help you move forward, basically, so that everything is in one place and not all over the place. My stuff is all over the place. It's on my phone, it's on my Notion, it's on my journal, but in an organized manner. So now that I'm done going through the week, the next thing I'm going to do is brainstorm. So I have a notes pad on my phone, and during the week, it's running all week. I'll show you. These are all ideas of things I want to talk about, but instead of leaving them in notes, because I have this tendency of having so many notes all over the place, what I do is go through my notes, and now I'm going to take everything that's pending here and everything in my notes and write it down on one page. That way I'm able to like prioritize and organize and see what needs to be done first. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Brain dump everything that's in my phone and everything that's pending from last week and areas to improve on one page, so that I can all see it together before I start the planning process. Okay. Damn, this is a lot. I had a lot on my mind. I brain dumped like all these is stuff that I need to work on this week. Not necessarily everything by the end of the week, but with work, I was going to say 75 hard, but I finished 75 hard tomorrow. With work and everything else like video editing, this is a lot. Actually, it's not a lot now that I think about it. There is no more 75 hard. I work 2 days a week. Why do I tell myself things are hard when they're not? I know this looks like a very long list, but actually let me get my laptop, put them into Notion so that it's much easier to manage. So I haven't used Notion in such a long time, which means it's going to take me a while to get all this organization in there, because the way Notion works, you have to have something already going. And because I haven't been using it, it's going to be a little difficult, but hopefully I can fit in all these things during the week. And yeah, my week at a glance looks like that. What I did was put in all the repetitive things like UGC gigs I have to do every day. I told myself I need to upload 2 YouTube videos, one on Wednesday, one on Saturday. I'm trying to create a report, so this I already put. I have to work, that I already put. Everything that's already repetitive I already put. And then tomorrow morning when I wake up, I love to plan my day in the morning. It just gives me structure. Even if I already know what I need to do for the week, doing it this way, like every morning I wake up and literally write down what I need to do from the Notion. I want to start a series on TikTok and Instagram where I'm dating myself, because I'm single. If you don't know, I'm single, and I've been trying to get back into dating, but then I also realize I want to know what I expect from a partner, and I have to be able to give it to myself before. Anyway, long story, we'll get to that later. That is not the point of this video, Sheila.
A few moments later.
Yo, I've been glued to my computer trying to figure out this whole Notion thing. I've decided that I'm going to take a break, do everything I have to do, finish cleaning up my house, because I'm not done. Like, I made my bed or whatever, but I need to like pass a broom, all them things. Do you know one of those things that take time to create a system, but once you've created it, it's kind of easy to continue using? It's one of those things, and I feel like I need to sit down, delete everything I already had in Notion, and just start all over again, because I'm confused right now. I don't remember the systems I put in place then, so I just need to start from scratch. It took a while, but now we are here. I finally managed to put everything in Notion. I need to explain myself. When I go out there, sometimes I don't always have my journal, so having another tracker on my phone that helps me like know exactly what's coming is very helpful. Now I go through days. I know my habit tracker is amazing. I normally love to use it in the morning, and sometimes in the evening I forget, but I'm always with my phone practicing French, scrolling on TikTok. It's very easy for me to go to this. I've put in everything, and all I have to do, like, let's say something is done, hit done, it's done. It makes it so easy. And also the way it's set up is that it only shows me the content that's coming up this week and nothing else. Notion is a little bit of a learning curve, so every time I feel like I need to adjust something, I need to use my laptop. But once I've set it up, everything just flows. Oh, this is the calendar I've been looking for. Yes, I want to be able to see everything block by block by block of what's happening. I don't know how I can do that. I'm going to figure it out so that I'm able to see on this day, this is what's coming up, this is what's coming up. Yeah, right? We should do that. I'm not an expert. We're navigating this together, and I'm just sharing my journey. Let me just put that out there, because I feel like I'm explaining this whole Notion thing like I'm a pro. For accountability purposes, I have weeks where I haven't used my journal. Like, yes, I open and tick off my habit trackers, but I actually don't look at my plan. But with Notion, what it's going to help is that, do you see this particular page right now? This is everything I clicked done. When I click done here, it goes down here, and like I can easily put it back by unchecking it, and it's going to go back. I just wanted to quickly show you that. At the end of the week, when you feel like, oh my god, I haven't done so many things, because of course you did stuff but you just didn't write it down and you're feeling unproductive, this is a nice way to track what you did during the week, innit? So yeah, I figured that out. I've set up all my things. I want to make sure that every week, every Saturday or Sunday, I do this. When I plan this, I can go down and see everything I have to do on a daily basis. I have to upload this video, the TikTok version, tonight, and then these are the videos coming up for tomorrow, so I can see them at least on a calendar view. I can see this on my phone, and I can also connect it to my Google Calendar. Let me see what the phone version looks like right now quickly. The calendar phone version, Notion. Well, on my phone the calendar view kind of doesn't show. It just shows like these little dots that shows that there is some... Maybe I just need to work on the... You know what? It's not for today. At least I figured it out on my computer, right? Right. I'm not going to die. I'm not going to die on this hill. I'm all over the place. So this is not an expert video. This is a me figuring things out video, and I hope it inspires you to figure shit out. I need to make some food. I've had nuts, but I actually need to make some real food. I defrosted beef, bro. I smelt it. Ugh, I wanted to throw up. I threw it. So now what am I going to cook? I don't know. Eggs. Eggs is the one thing I always go back to. This is my last bottle of water. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning we're going to be putting in the work. Also, I want to record the last day of 75 hard. Why is my boob hurting on my period? Anyway, yalla, bye. Thank you so much for hanging with me. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. It's day 74 of 75 hard. I cannot believe we've come to the end of this. One more day. Wow.
Living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life.